Welcome to my channel. Let's make this Seattle Seahawks Super Bowl hat 2026. Sold out online. No worries, let's grab a hat from our inventory. Looks good to me. Let's grab the perfect color thread for our project. Let's see, lime green, looks good. Yeah, that gray looks good too. Wow. Digitize, and now it's time to send to our machine. Click it. Aha. Let me show you how to do this on a single needle brother machine. Select your design, there it is, and set. Haha, there it goes. We're gonna do this on plastic substrate, and don't forget your phone. Now it's time to embroider. Listen to that engine roar. That's right, embroidering over the 3D foam. I use 3 millimeters. Also, look at the digitizing. Look at that detail. That's what you want. Always use my 3D puff tool when cleaning up the foam from the embroidery. Now let's assemble the hat using some great adhesive. Look at that finish.
Oh my God!
Beautiful. If you'd like to learn more, keep watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.